Let's watch these guys' waxing journey. This one wants to remove the hair around the forehead area. This is how his experience went. While this other guy is there for a facial and nose hair removal. It does not go quite as he expected. The Q-tips got out, but not the wax. And finally, the big moment. Another hair removal. Watch this guy's reaction. Obviously, he's not enjoying it at all. Looks very painful too. You're almost there, big boy. And it's off for good. He looks so relieved. Doing a thorough face hair removal on this guy. That's a lot of wax product. After it's all set, let's see the removing part. Looks like he's ready for the big moment. It's going wild, isn't it? This neck hair removal will be so soothing to watch. Probably not soothing for the person though. The last one for today. Removing hair all around the face. Not very pleasing for the guy. Getting hair wax requires some courage. And it's all finished for this one too.